Raz Pepper, and today's Wednesday the 31st of December, the last day of the year, and it's currently 26 degrees down here along the Cairns Esplanade, and it's a beautiful day to go for a walk. Tide's on its way in. Supposed to be really high tides for tonight's fireworks. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful day out there. Usually it gets calm when there's big tides, so tonight I reckon it's going to be quite big. So it's always good. Good to get out and see everything. As you can see, Buddy's Cafe is full. There's kids playing in the park. Just remember, slip, slop, slap, seek and slide. So seek shade and slide on some sunnies. And make sure you stay well hydrated. So for all those people that have been with me throughout this year, it's going to be quite awesome. Looking forward to next year. And you can see how different each day has been. You can see the little pontoons here that are in there. That's for the fireworks tonight. Just remember, they're up this end, up the city end. You can take a selfie, put yourself in the selfie. But yeah, those pontoons are for tonight's fireworks. So there's two showings of the fireworks tonight. One for the kids, which is usually early, and then there's one right on 12 o'clock at night. And here's a great view. Just pause, take a screenshot, cut yourself out of a photo and put yourself into the screenshot photo. All the boats are busy. You can see how far we walked. You can hear the music starting from here already. Celebrations last day of the year. A little bit of breeze, look, our flag's up. Compared to yesterday, more breeze than yesterday. It's always good to see our flags. Here's another screenshot opportunity. Screenshot Cairns and put yourself in the photo. You can zoom in and you can see the pontoons ready for tonight's fireworks. Looks like Bad Fishy 2. Yeah, that's Bad Fishy 2. Because Bad Fishy's orange, Bad Fishy 2's blue. Helicopter you can hear is the GPH chopper coming in. Our Pelican friends are there. There Pool's cordoned off today, this morning for the cleaning, and it'll be open about 12 o'clock. So that's why the pool's cordoned off. It's always cordoned off on a Wednesday for cleaning till about 12 o'clock. It's picked up heat quite fast. It was 26 degrees when we started, and now it's, according to theirs, it's 31 degrees. Just over there. With the today's top expected temp of 38 degrees. I find it quite funny they're cleaning the pool but no one's there to actually clean the pool. If you have a look, no one's actually cleaned the pool. There's still leaves and everything underneath the water, so someone's not doing their job, but they get paid for it. They used to rake the sand as well and make the sand much better, much more picturesque. But they become super lazy, because it used to be all raked. You can see someone's attempted to rake, but the whole lot used to get raked. So it just shows you how different it is, how lazy people can be. Because I'm sure they charge the taxpayers money for when someone's not even working. Kangaroo cricket, that's what we used to all play when we were younger. So it's always good to come down while they're waiting for the pool, play a game of cricket. Just remember, if you want the best fireworks view, you've got to be down here early tonight and get your spot, or it'll go just like that. You used to be able to see it there and see how good the water is. Again, these people open at 12 o'clock today. There's your time. It's currently 13 minutes through, and it tells you that the pool's closed today to 12 o'clock. So you only got an hour and 13 minutes to go. They're starting to take down the Christmas tree today. So you get to see the pool and everything. Again, you can screenshot this and put yourself in a screenshot photo of the Cairns Lagoon. The breeze is so cool right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's walk. I'm Grass Pepper, and make sure you subscribe and share this video, and have a lovely day. And have a lovely rest of the new year. Well, the rest of this year, and look forward to a new year. And stay safe.